parallel to the shoulders. Bend the elbows and place the fingers on the shoulders. Bring both elbows forward and touch them together. Now inhale and rotate the elbows slowly in the clockwise direction. And exhale while completing the rotation. 1, 2, inhale and exhale. After completing the rotation, we rotate the elbows in the anti-clockwise direction. Inhale and exhale. 2, inhale and exhale. 3, inhale and exhale. Now slowly bring both the arms down. Let us move to the next posture, Vrksasana, waist movement. Keep a distance of 1.5 feet between the feet. Raise both arms to shoulder level. Keep both palms facing each other. Now exhale and rotate upper body towards the right side. Keep in mind that left palm rests on the right shoulder. Inhale and return to the starting position. Now again exhale, rotate the upper body towards the left side. Keep in mind that right palms rest on the left shoulders. Again inhale and return to the starting position. And slowly brings the both arms down. Now we shall proceed to Vrksasana, knee movement. Take a deep breath and raise both arms to shoulders level. Keep both palms facing downward. Now exhale and bend the knees and lower the body in the sitting positions. And inhale and return the body to the starting position. Repeat this posture one more time. Exhale, bend the knees and lower the body in the sitting position. 1, 2, 3. And inhale and return the body to the starting position. Now slowly bring the both arms down. Now let us move on to our next segment, that is the Yogasana. Our first Yogasana is Tadasana. Keep a distance of about 2 inches between the feet. Interlock the fingers and raise both arms above the head. Turns the palms upward. Now inhale and rise on the toes and lift both the heels. Maintain this position for 10 seconds. These asanas bring stability in the body, helps to increase height up to a certain age. Now exhale and slowly lower the arms and return to the normal position. Now moving forward, our next posture, that is the Vrksasana. Focus your gaze on a fixed point in front of you. Now bend the right leg and place the sole of the right foot on the inner left thigh. Inhale and raise both arms. Join the palms in Namaskar Mudra above the head. Exhale and brings the hand and foot down to the normal position. Now bend the left leg and place the sole of the left foot on the inner right thigh. Again raise both the arms, join the palms in Namaskar Mudra above the head. This posture improves neuromuscular coordination, balance, endurance and again agree and come to the normal position. Let us now proceed to the Vrksasana. Keep a distance of about 2 inches between the feet. Inhale, raise both arms upward. Exhale, slowly bend forward from the waist. Touch the floor beside the feet with both the hands. Weight normal. And inhale and raise both arms up and return to the normal position. Now come to the normal position. We now move towards the Chakrasana. Keep a distance of 3 inches between the feet. Place both hands on the back of the waist.
দুইখন হাত কঁকালৰ ওপৰত ৰাখক
with fingers pointing downward.
আঙুলি কেইটা তলমুখ কৰি ৰাখিব
Inhale and gently bend the upper body backward.
উশাহ লৈ লৈ কঁকালৰ ওপৰৰ অংশ পিছফাললৈ লৈ যাওক
Maintain normal breathing and inhale and slowly return to the upright position. Slowly down your hands.
দুইখন হাত তললৈ নমাই আনক
Now we shall perform seated posture. Now I request all of you sit with your own pace.
সকলোৱে নিজৰ নিজৰ জায়গাত বহি লওক দুইখন ভৰি সন্মুখলৈ লৈ আহক আৰু দুইখন হাত কঁকালৰ কাষত ৰাখি লওক
Stretch out both the legs in front of you. Place both hands beside the waist. Bend the knees and brings the soles of the feet together.
দুইখন ভৰি ভাঁজ কৰি দুইখন ভৰি তলুৱা লগাই লওক
Hold the feet with both the hands
দুইখন হাতেৰে দুইখন ভৰিৰ আঙুলি ধৰি ল'ব
and brings the heels as close to the body as possible.
যিমান পাৰে ওচৰলৈ চপাই আনক
Keep the spine, neck and head straight.
চকু বন্ধ কৰি ডিঙিৰ অংশ মূৰ অংশ মেৰুদণ্ডৰ অংশ সমান কৰি ৰাখিব
Close the eyes and relax the body.
চকু বন্ধ কৰি লওক
Now slowly open your eyes and return to the normal position.
দুইখন ভৰি সন্মুখলৈ লৈ আহক
Let us turn our attentions to the next posture, that is the Vajrasana. Suffering from knee pain and ankle injury should avoid this practice. So we shall proceed. Sit with both legs stretched out in front of you. Bend the right leg and place it under the right buttock.
সোঁ ভৰিখন ভাঁজ কৰি সোঁ নিতম্বৰৰ তলত ৰাখি লওক
Bend the left leg and place it under the left buttock.
বাওঁ ভৰিখন ভাঁজ কৰি বাওঁ নিতম্বৰৰ তলত
Sitting on the heels.